Good morning, students. Today we will do your English book page number 44. This is missing letters filled with vowel sound U, B, U, T, but, B, U, T, but, R, U, N, run, R, U, N, none, N, U, N, none, N, U, N, none, M, U, D, mud, M, U, D, mud, C, U, P, cup, C, U, P, cup, S, U, B, sub, S, U, B, sub, H, U, G, hug, H, U, G, hug, D, U, M, P, dump, D, U, M, P, dump, G, U, N, gun, G, U, N, gun, B, U, G, bug, B, U, G, bug, R, U, B, rub, R, U, B, rub, G, U, T, gut, G, U, T, gut, H, U, T, hut, H, U, T, hut, P, U, P, pup, P, U, P, pup, J, U, G, jug, J, U, G, jug, C, U, T, cut, C, U, T, cut, M, U, G, mug, M, U, G, mug, B, U, D, bud, B, U, D, bud. Read these words again and again and do practice of vowel sound U. Thank you.